Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a failing engine coolant temperature sensor and it's time to replace it? This is an engine coolant temperature sensor and it is going to be located directly on the thermostat housing. It could be located on the radiator or it could be located on the cylinder head. Exactly what is the engine coolant temperature sensor? The purpose of the engine coolant temperature sensor is to measure the coolant temperature. Now, this is going to be a negative temperature coefficient thermistor. It means that when temperatures start to increase in the cooling system, the resistance inside the engine coolant temperature sensor, it is going to decrease. When the engine coolant temperature sensor starts to fail caused by a bad wire or connector or this engine oil on the connector area, or let's just say that the engine coolant temperature sensor has a buildup of mineral on the sensor caused by using tap water in the cooling system, or let's just say that the sensor becomes shorted or it starts to fail internally, you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. Here is a close-up view of the engine coolant temperature sensor. Now, when the sensors start to fail, you're going to notice the following symptoms. First, you're going to notice that it is going to cause hard start and possibly no start. So when the sensors start to fail, it is going to send incorrect data to the computer, and the computer will use that incorrect data to adjust air and fuel ratio. Now, when air and fuel ratio is being affected caused by a failing engine coolant temperature sensor, it can cause the engine to spray way too much fuel, and this can cause hard start or no start. And of course, when it sprays too much fuel, it can also cause the engine to become flooded, and it can cause the spark plugs to become wet. And again, it can cause hard start or no start. If the engine coolant temperature sensor is bad and you have not replaced it for many miles, you'll start to notice that there's going to be a buildup of black soot on the tailpipe. And also, when you see a buildup of black soot on the tailpipe, it means that the engine is running rich. Also, you might notice that there's going to be black smoke coming out of the tailpipe, and you're going to notice it, especially when you're accelerating. If you notice that your AC stopped working, it means that the AC clutch is no longer engaging, again caused by a failing engine coolant temperature sensor. If your vehicle needs a smog test and you took it for a smog test and you notice that it failed, well, guess what? If that engine coolant temperature sensor is failing, it can cause increased emission, and again, it can cause your vehicle to fail smog. And of course, when the engine coolant temperature sensor is failing, it can cause the electric radiator fan to not run. So if you notice that your engine has been running for a while and you notice that your engine is starting to overheat and the fan is not working, and let's just say you had that fan replaced and you check the relay and everything is fine, it is possible you're going to have a bad engine coolant temperature sensor. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.